Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2. Question number 6b. An air conditioned space is maintained at 25 degrees Celsius DBT and 50% relative humidity. The outside conditions are 40 degrees Celsius DBT and 25 degrees Celsius WBT. The space has a sensible heat gain of 24.5 kilowatt. Conditioned air is supplied to the space as saturated air at 10 degrees Celsius. The equipment consists of an air washer. The air washer comprises 25% outside air. Calculate the following: 1. Volume flow rate of air supplied to space. 2. Latent heat gain of space. 3. Cooling load of air washer. Use psychrometric chart to solve this problem. Use room sensible heat factor as 0.81. So this is the psychrometric chart, and first of all we will locate this point. The first point is your inside condition, that is 25 degrees Celsius DVT and 50% relative humidity. So 25 degrees Celsius DVT and 50% relative humidity. So that is the point. Okay. So here the enthalpy is approximately 52.5. Okay, so this is the point, and here enthalpy is 52.5. Second point is outside condition. So outside condition is 40 degrees Celsius DVT and 25 degrees WBT. 40 degrees Celsius, this is 40, and WBT is 25. So this is the point. So here enthalpy is approximately 77%. Okay. So this is the enthalpy, and this is the point outside condition. And third point is, or second point 2 is here. This is O, this is I, and second point is supply point. So that is at 10 degrees Celsius saturated. So that is the point. Okay. So here enthalpy is approximately, we have taken it as 30 kilojoule per kilowatt. Okay. So now we have point O outside condition, point I inside condition, and point 2 supply air state. Okay. And we have properties at this point also. So first question is mass of the, sorry, first question that has been asked is volume flow rate of air supplied to space. So to find out volume flow rate, first we have to find out mass flow rate. So as sensible heat is given, that is 24.5 kilowatt or kilojoule per second, or in hour it will be 24.5 into 3600, and that should be equal to MA dot Cp del T. So MA is mass flow rate in kilogram per hour, and Cp for air is 1.005, and sensible heat is gained from 2 to I. Okay. Some latent heat is gained and some sensible heat is gained. So sensible heat gain of the room is from 2 to I. So temperature difference will be inside temperature to supply air. That is 25 minus 10, 25 minus 10, and Cp is 1.05, and sensible heat gain is 24.5 into 3600 in kilojoule per hour. So mass flow rate will be in kilojoule per hour, that is 5850.74 kilogram per hour. So now this is the dry air. So here the air supplied is wet. So we have to take the humidity also into account. So here at 10 degrees Celsius, specific humidity is here 8 gram per kilogram. So in kilogram it will be, total will be, one is dry and this part is moisture part, that is 8 by 1000 in kilogram, and so 1 plus 8 by 1000 into MA dot will be your mass of moist air supply. So that will be a 5897.55 kilogram per hour. So that is approximately same. Okay. So now volume flow rate has been asked. So at 10 degrees Celsius from the psychrometric chart we can see specific volume output. So these are the specific volume. So at 10 degrees Celsius, we 10 degrees Celsius. So here we can see this line is 0.80 meter cube per kg, and this line is 0.85. So taking in between, that is 0.825 meter cube per kg, we can find out volume flow rate of air supplied to paste per hour. So that is 5897.55 into 0.825. That is the mass, and that will be volume. That is 4865.48 meter cube per hour. Okay. So next question is latent heat gain of the space. As sensible heat factor is given, room sensible heat is given. So sensible heat factor is room sensible heat by total heat gain. Total heat gain is room sensible heat plus room latent heat. So room latent heat comes out as 5.6. If we put these values, sensible heat factor is 0.813, and put these values, room sensible heat as 24.5, we get room latent heat gain, that is 5.635 kilowatt. Okay. So that is your second question. And third question is cooling load of air washing. So here in the diagram it is given, in the question it is given that 25% of outside air and 75% of inside air is mixed. So after mixing 25% of outside air and 75% of inside air, we get 0.1. So that point is obtained in terms of temperature. So as outside temperature, drivable temperature is 40, so 25% of it has to be taken. That is 0.25 into 40, and 75% of inside air has to be taken. So 0.75 into 25 inside drivable temperature. So at 0.1 the drivable temperature is 28.15. So now we can locate this point. As we know this condition, and we will join that line and take the temperature according to 1, that is 28.74. Okay. So now in the chart, in the psychrometric chart, this is the point 40 and 25. This is the chart. And second is 25 and 50. 25 and 50. Okay. So if you join these two and locate 28 point like somewhere here. Yes. So it will give enthalpy of 57. Okay. So at point 1 the enthalpy is 57.5, taking it as 57.5 kilojoules per kilogram. And now here is the mixed air, and it has to cool up to 0.2. So cooling load will be the mass of air into H1 minus H2. So it will be mass of air H1 minus H2. H1 is 57.5 and H2 is 30. So mass of air is 5850 by 3600 in kilogram per second. So it will be 44.6875 kilowatt will be the cooling load.